In this vast, climate-controlled enclosure, the Arctic bears are fed by a sophisticated system of
The automated scanning chutes ensure precise monitoring. As the bears move through, thermal data is logged in.
Ramp 7 clear. Gate opening now. Bear is secured in compartment 4.
Temperature holding steady at -20.
Confirmed, you are clear. Keep them moving steady now, watch the gates. Clear on the left, send the next one down.
Scan complete. Vitals are stable. Move to chute 3.
Pressure steady on the starboard side. Copy that.
The brushes are synchronized for maximum debris removal.
Check the pressure on arm 3. Looks stable, keep it moving.
The high-pressure antimicrobial rinse removes contaminants, ensuring the safety and cleanliness of the product before it moves to chilling.
Check the sensor on the far right.
It's holding steady at -2. We are clear.
The laser alignment on line 3 is slightly off.
I'm adjusting the parameters now. Check the consistency reading right here, right there.
Yeah, it's perfectly within tolerance. The throughput on this line is exceptional today.
Yes, the sealing integrity is holding steady at 99.8%.
The pH is still a little high here.
Okay, let's add another burst of enzymes and recheck the levels in drum 3.
The initial cleaning phase is crucial. We use automated dispensers to introduce enzymes, carefully monitoring.
The penetration looks good on this batch.
Yeah, the automated feeders are keeping the balance steady.
Look at the density reading on this one.
Yes, the camera alignment seems perfect after the adjustment.
Here in the cutting department, these lasers trace the patterns with incredible accuracy, improving material utilization and minimizing waste.
The skiving machine uses angled blades to thin the fur edges before they are transported by conveyor.
The rotating brushes and vacuums prepare the fur, and the automated provide that final.
Quality check on line 3 is clear.
Excellent. Make sure the labels are aligned before shipping. Here in the packaging hall, robotic arms precisely fold and seal the protective boxes.
The automated system ensures every box is securely stacked and wrapped. The final step sees the robotic forklift.
Once wrapped, the robotic system applies the shipping labels, ensuring efficient transport and handling of the finished fur coats.
Clear Bay 3, we need the next pallet of coats ready to go.
Copy that. Moving now.
Make sure these go to aisle 5.
Got it. Scanning the next one now.
That'll be $25.50, ma'am. Do you need any bags today?
Yes, I'll take 2 paper ones, please.
All right, that is everything. It is properly insured now.
Excellent, thank you. The coat is beautiful.
Scanned and ready for our climate-controlled storage.
Will you be taking it with you today, sir?
Automated smoke generators ensure a consistent cure. The conveyor system rotates the racks evenly, while our team precisely adjusts the temperature panels. The automated smoke generators release a controlled, aromatic haze, ensuring every product is evenly cured.
Sable coat, lot 45B.
Confirmed. Data logged.
The throughput on lane 4 is exceeding projections by 15%. Keep monitoring the scanner calibration.
The sensor readings are stable. Look here. Confirmed. The sterilization is complete.
Here in the covering station, finished coats are slipped into breathable protective bags. Automated sealers ensure
The automated wrapping system ensures every pallet is sealed tightly, maintaining the crucial cold chain from the factory to the store.
Would you perhaps like to try this one on? The digital mirror can show you the fit from all angles.
This silver fox stole is incredibly soft, madam. It pairs beautifully with the white mink.
Here is your purchase, all wrapped up, sir.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful day.
All right, it's all wrapped up for you. Thank you for shopping with us.
Monitor the output from line 3. We're seeing a slight variance.
Copy that. Initiating a recalibration sequence now.
Rerouting power to line 3.
Confirmed. Efficiency is stabilizing at 92%.
The integrity scan on pallet 4 is complete. Looks good, send it through.
From intake to shipping, the Arctic Bear processing facility operates with surgical precision, moving thousands of units daily.